Frustrated with the Galaxy 64 DLL pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Ensure your Galaxy 64 environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This DLL file is a core 64-bit library for GOG Galaxy. It manages game-specific features like multiplayer matchmaking, achievements, and cloud saves for titles purchased through the GOG store, ensuring seamless client integration. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Since the Galaxy 64 DLL is a third-party application file associated with GOG.com, it isn't part of Windows. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of GOG.com will restore the correct version of this file to your local directory. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Galaxy 64. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. The versions of the Galaxy 64 DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If system conflicts or lag are present, the resource below outlines concepts related to the Galaxy 64 management. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve the Galaxy 64 dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.